To clone apps in OnePlus 15, first of all, we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to scroll down, and here we can select the apps. Go for the app cloner. Then you'll be able to see the main apps that you can clone. In this case, I have a Facebook and Instagram, but we can also go for the other apps. Right here, it's not all of the apps that I have, but some of them won't support this option. In this case, let's go for the Netflix right here and create the app clone. Now, when the app clone is created, we'll be able to change the app clone name, and we can also change the default app to open. You can go for always ask, original app, or app clone. Now, when we have that ready, let's try to find the Netflix. So as you can see right here, we have the Netflix main and Netflix clone. We can enter each of them, and with each you'll be able to log into different account. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.